So working with the Circumpolar Biodiversity Monitoring Programme, over 200 Arctic scientists have come together to develop the State of the Arctic Terrestrial Biodiversity Report, providing us with the most comprehensive understanding that we have of what's happening to biodiversity on Arctic lands. This report shows us how Arctic plants, insects, mammals and birds are experiencing wide-ranging and diverse effects of climate change, including changes to key life events, changing habitats, introduction of new predators, and potentially new diseases. Some species are even moving into the Arctic, such as red fox and voles and moose, and are expected to push Arctic species further northwards, creating an Arctic squeeze. Changes to the intensity, frequency and timing of extreme weather events, such as Arctic rain and thaws, are impacting the ability of some Arctic species, such as lemming and caribou, to source food. And all of these changes taken together are cascading through the Arctic ecosystems and affecting the services that nature provides to people, including pollination, nutrient cycling and food, with implications for the food security and cultures of Arctic indigenous peoples and those who live in the Arctic. However, importantly, the report also provides a broad range of advice for how we might improve the ways in which we detect, monitor and report on changes to the Arctic's terrestrial biodiversity, and hopefully find ways to ensure that information reaches in a timely fashion decision makers as they struggle to find ways to respond to the changes being experienced in Arctic ecosystems. So importantly, this report is a significant step forward in the Arctic Council's efforts to try and find ways to promote the conservation of the Arctic's biodiversity and ecosystems.